If you're not sure about how to color something, look for some reference images. This will help you to have a better understanding on what colors to use, how the texture should look like, where and how to place the shadows and highlights. Here's how to match your colors to your reference photo. Study your image closely. Try to identify each and every color you see. Start picking your colors. Make tiny swatches. Maybe you will have to eliminate some colors and add some other ones, but don't worry if your palette is not perfect. Anyway, you use the reference only as a guide. You can change up things as much as you wish. Then try some combinations and techniques to see how you can mix your colors to create the desired look. Use lots of layers and different levels of pressure. You can also use dots, lines, tiny spots to create texture. Feel free to experiment. When you feel ready, dive into your coloring and have fun.